Respiratory examination, chest auscultation. Air enters the respiratory system through the nose or the mouth, where it passes into the pharynx, then into the larynx, also known as the voice box. From there it passes down the trachea, also known as the windpipe. The trachea divides into two small tubes, known as the bronchi, which lead to the left and right lungs, where they split into tertiary bronchi, which divide, forming bronchioles, which are narrow tubes leading to the alveoli for gas exchange. During inspiration, the diaphragm contracts and pulls down. Intercostal muscles contract and expand the rib cage, allowing air to enter the lungs. During expiration, the diaphragm relaxes and goes up. Intercostal muscles relax and rib cage collapses, allowing air to exit the lungs. One breath in and one breath out completes one breathing cycle. The right lung has three lobes: the upper, middle, and lower lobe. The middle lobe is in line with the fourth intercostal space, whereas the left lobe only has upper and lower lobe due to sharing space with the heart. The superior region of lungs is called the apex, and the inferior region is known as the basis. On auscultation, start with the apex, then work your way in a zigzag motion, comparing each side until you reach the basis front and back. When using the stethoscope, the diaphragm is commonly used for breath sounds, and the bell is used for heart sounds. Breath sounds. Subscribe to the channel for more.